Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display all data from table in Oracle database. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using online compiler. So by using this query, we are going to create table. Now you see create table employee ID, name, department, and by using this query we are going to insert data into our table employee, and then we are going to display data from table. So we are going to add query. Now select write, then write static, then write from. Now add table name employee. Now add semicolon. So by using this query we are going to retrieve all data from table employee. Now you see run, so click on it, output, and then you see status successfully executed, your output table created. So by using this query we are going to create table. Now you see, and then you see one row inserted. So by using this insert into data inserted into our table employee, and then you see employee ID, name, department. So by using select static from employee table we retrieve all data in our table. Now you see one Hassan web, and you will find all query in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.